Alright folks, in this video I'm going to show you the best price action indicator that you've never heard of. And what this price action indicator does is it will convert your ugly looking garbage indicator charts into these indicator charts. Alright, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at Dino Trading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. What we try to do here is educate traders on learning real price action technical analysis using a simple piece of charting software. Because I firmly believe that teaching yourself a very valuable skill like reading the charts or learning price action trading can be a very valuable skill set that you can utilize for the rest of your life. All right, and in today's video I've got two examples for you. I do have the S&P 500 queued up for you, but I also have the NASDAQ. Beautiful day on the NASDAQ today, by the way. All right, I know a lot of you guys love the NASDAQ as much as I do, so I'm going to come back to the NAS in just a few seconds, and I'm going to start with the basics on what this price action indicator is and what it can do for you. So let's get into it. What you're seeing right now on my screen is our proprietary price action volume-based indicator. Okay, this green and red color band is something that you overlay on top of your charts, and what this indicator does is it uses volume metrics that are being printed behind the scenes, takes that information, all the prices, all the bids, all the asks, and it converts it for you into this simple green and red display. Okay, and I firmly believe that if you're going to teach yourself or learn price action trading and price action indicators, you should not do it on this garbage nonsense chart that so many of you retail traders are using, right? Because there's a night and day difference, right? You tell me, which chart do you think looks better? Is it this one, the candlestick chart, or do you think this chart looks better, right? Same day, same symbol, same time frame, same everything, right? One looks like this and one looks like this. All right, so anyway, how do you interpret what's being shown on the screen? Well, it's very simple, folks. All right, this price action indicator, it simply turns and changes colors whenever it detects a trend change based off of the price action. That's it. Okay, so in this use case that I'm going to walk through with you guys here, all right, as you can quite clearly see, this indicator started off red. We started the session red, okay? But then right over here, it turned green. Right? And what that means is now it's telling you that, hey, look, buddy, volume has shifted now from the sellers being in control of the price action to the buyers being in control of the price action. You understand? And it's giving you somewhat of an early notification or a heads up that, hey, look, we might be in store for higher prices when it turns green. You don't know for sure that it's going to rip like it did today for a monster trend, right? But it does tell you that at this exact moment in time, you should be alert, right? You should be looking for opportunities. You should be scanning for setups. You should be looking for low risk, high probability areas in the market where you can really take advantage of a trend. That's the name of the game, folks, right? For me, I think price action trading, price action indicators, all of that price action software goes hand in hand with trend trading. I don't believe in scalping. I don't believe in trying to call tops and bottoms. And I certainly don't believe in these candlesticks, right? These garbage candlestick retail trader charts. I do not believe in this, right? I want to make my trading simple, clean, and somewhat obvious. Okay, show me a chart that's simple and show me something that allows me to make a decision very quickly based off of a color change, right? I cannot make this more simplistic than I already have, right, folks? It's green and red, all right? But of course, the question becomes now is, all right, so say it turns green and now we're on the lookout for long, aka bullish opportunities. Well, how do you play it? Right? And for those of you long-term subscribers and customers of mine, you know what I'm going to say next. So look, I've analyzed a lot of different ways to enter the market. What I have come up with is probably, in my opinion, I think the best way. And that is to use a retracement pattern to enter the market. What do I mean by that? Well, let me create some space here, and I'm going to define it here for you in 5 seconds, all right? The most powerful retracement pattern you've ever seen. Watch this. Here's what a retracement pattern looks like, all right? Up, down, up. That's it, okay? A retracement pattern has 3 legs. Leg number 1 establishes the direction. Leg number 2 is the retracement, aka the pullback. All right, this right here, this middle leg, this is leg number 2. And of course, leg number 3 is the market moving in your favor, making the pattern true, making the pattern valid, if you will. You follow? So let me go back. In fact, let me just do a superimpose here for you. Right? Isn't that interesting, ladies and gentlemen? How a retracement pattern printed exactly per the definition. Okay, so let me just clean this up here, folks. Let me just clean up the chart a little bit here. And let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay, let me fit this to scale. All right. So, retracement leg 1 establishes the uptrend, right? Retracement leg 2 is when the market comes back down to you. In order for it to come back down to you, you're going to see a bunch of red bars print. That's the market coming back. But look at the color of this vol price action indicator. It didn't change. It's still green, right? And so what we are waiting for is one of these right here, okay? We're waiting for the first green bar that matches up with the color of the indicator. This makes the pattern true. Why? Well, this is a green bar. This is the first green bar after a string of red bars, and it's a reversal bar, and it's a color match, meaning it's green against green, right? Green bar, green indicator, and the low of this bar has to be underneath the color, which you can quite clearly see it is. Make sense, folks? So this right here is the entry signal. No ifs, no buts, no nothing. This is the entry signal, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And if I zoom out here for you guys, and you can see how this trade played out, ladies and gentlemen, what else needs to be said? Right? Now let's use that same price action indicator technique on the NASDAQ. I know there's a lot of you guys who love trading the NAS. Remember, you can trade the NAS on any asset class, Forex, futures, stocks, options. It's all good. But I want to show you 2 things. Number 1, look at how, once again, this price action volume indicator nailed the color change. Okay? But more important, look at the retracement pattern that once again showed up. Let me draw it out for you. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Do not tell me that retracement patterns don't work. So once again, the condition is true on this bar right over there. And ladies and gentlemen, that was it. This thing printed a potential of 1,000 ticks or pips, if you follow along in Forex, all right? 1,000 ticks and or pips potential from the opening signal to the session high, depending on where you got out. You understand what I'm saying? You guys now seeing the value of a real price action trading indicator? I hope you do. I certainly hope you can see the difference between contrasting this chart right here, the retail trader chart, what I call the amateur chart, with this chart. Okay? So in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the middle of a historic trading environment. This environment that we're in right now, this was built for day traders. Okay? And this indicator was built for price action and volume and very simple but powerful technical analysis. Okay, big shout out to all my customers today who were using this price action volume indicator on their charts today. I appreciate hearing from all you guys. I'm so happy that you guys are killing it, and I can't wait to see what this market has in store for us in the next trading session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.